The homicide investigation today is transformed to 10, 20 years ago in terms of the technology and science that we've now got. So the HIFS project is the Homicide Investigation and Forensic Science project. It was a 4-year project that's involved us getting kind of really up close and personal with the people that do that work and try to solve the homicides.
Our findings have suggested the importance of co-locating specialist roles together within a major incident room. As homicide investigations become more complex, as roles become more specialised, there is a greater need for these people to come together and collaborate and have greater dialogue between each other.
The research builds on good practices that are well documented within the Murder Incident Manual. It means that we work much better now, much closer with our external partners such as the forensic science organisations that we work alongside. Within policing, we believe that we are providing the best possible service. That's what we seek to achieve on every occasion. But the opportunity to have that check and tested by someone independent from our organisation is vital, and that also gives trust and confidence to the public around what we're doing is the right thing and the best thing to do for them.